Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick comparison between Zoho Books and QuickBooks to help you decide which accounting software suits your business the most. So yeah, this is useful for choosing tools that save time and avoid errors. Now, for the first one, which is the interface and ease of use. So as you can see, Zoho Books has a clean and minimal dashboard, while QuickBooks offer robust features but slightly steeper learning curve. Now, for the features, Zoho Books has invoicing, expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and multi-currency, while QuickBooks has full accounting suite and payroll integration and strong reporting. Now, for the pricing and plans, Zoho Books is cheaper for small businesses. On the other hand, QuickBooks is slightly higher cost but more advanced options. Now, for the integrations, both integrate with payment gateways, CRM, and e-commerce platforms. So, if you're starting your small business and you want simple accounting, then you should go ahead and choose Zoho Books. But if you have a larger business and you need an advanced reporting, then you should choose QuickBooks. And yeah, that's basically just it. And that's a clear comparison between Zoho Books and QuickBooks. So you just gotta pick what matches your business needs. And yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.